guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in front of you, we have the Rock Hobby Magnum. Just done a few things to it and want to quickly share with you things that I have done. Is sun visor, hubcaps, detailed interior with a driver in there also. I also done the rear bed in wood. They are actually separate planks of wood which I glued together, pre-drilled every single one of them, and then put a pencil through the hole, glued it, sanded everything down so it's nice and flat, and then varnish it. And as you probably noticed, we got tailgate lights. They come on at the same time as the front ones. So if I switch that off just to show you, and the rear goes out also. Not only that, we got indicators left and right, front and rear. Okay, just like that. Behind the grille I've done a bit of meshing also, so that kind of hides a bit of wiring that was showing. And I left the reverse lights from factory as they were, because they seem to be fine to work that way. So now we've got a full light set pretty much. So for you to get rear lights in there, you have to pull that away from the body. If you pull it this way, that comes out, and then from the back here you have to pull the 3mm LED bulb out, and you have to make the hole ever so slightly bigger, and I'm using SMD lights in there. That is it on the back. And on the front, those little casters, they come in there from factory, but they don't have any holes for any lights at all. So if you want to get lights just like me, you have to drill it. I'm using 0805 SMDs, and I use the 1.5mm drill bit. Be gentle not to come out on the side or gone too far and come out on the front. Apart from that, it's all good.